Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone in Delta Force. If you've accidentally blocked a friend or want to reconnect with someone in the game, then this tutorial will show you how you can do that. First of all, open up the Delta Force game on your device and log in with your account if needed. And once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the Social tab at the top right corner. Inside the Social tab, click on Block List at the bottom. You will be able to see a list of people that you've blocked. Locate the player you want to unblock and tap the Unblock button right next to their name. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to unblock the certain player. The player should now be able to send you friend request or message again. You can also check your friend list to ensure they can interact with you normally. And that's it. By unblocking a player in Delta Force, you can restore in-game interactions and continue enjoying battles with your friends or teammates. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.